Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Coinbase app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Coinbase and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget